How to share your Upwork profile link. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your profile link from Upwork. So the first thing you want to do is open your web browser and search for Upwork. Now it will take you to this web page where you can open the first link, and it will direct you to the official website. And once you are on the website, make sure to log into your profile first. As you can see, I've already logged into my profile as a freelancer, and here I'm going to click on my profile and view my profile from here. So the next step, what you want to do is right here, you can see this share link right here, and you can simply click on it, copy your link, and once you do that, you can paste your link wherever you want, and people will directly be able to view your profile. And that's how you can easily share your profile link on Upwork. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.